Hi families, I wanted to give you another look at some more resources. This time I wanted to show you some of the things we do on YouTube. I really like to do songs with sight words and letters and sounds, so I wanted to show you. If you are looking to practice a sight word, so you say you go on to the assessment that I gave to you with the report card, and it says that your child needs to work on a certain sight word. You can pick that sight word, and I type it in sight word, and then I write the word. Okay, some of the things that pop up on here automatically are things that I would do in class. So you have Jan Richardson, who is like the guided reading guru. She's the one that designed the lesson plans that I use for guided reading. And then you have Jack Hartman, which is like kids entertainment and education guru. So you put them together and they came up with this video, and it has to do with rearranging letters, which we do in my classroom with magnets. So that's a good way to practice it. Have fun teaching. They have a lot of great songs. This one's great because it goes through all of the using the word over and over, and it has a lot of writing in it, and so it's a catchy tune. You could also, you could play around. This one is fun. You could also go like this and type in the sight word, see Heidi songs. So Heidi songs are ones that we use in the classroom. Let's see, I'm not seeing that one. Heidi song sight words. Here's a big list, and they're very I'm not going to play it right now, but they're dancing along with it, and it helps the students get some of that movement in, and you can see there's a whole list of them here. Also on YouTube, you'll find things. If you just put in the words Jack Hartman, you can come up with a bunch of different things. So like I said, count and stretch. I mentioned this one before. Count by ones. Okay, so he has let's get fit, count by ones, so they can count to 100 and dance. Getting that exercise as well as that counting practice while we're all at home is great. There's also, penguin song. They really like the penguin song. This is just for some movement, penguin dance. They can do that one. Jack Hartman, anything. So anytime you're searching for something for them to practice, Jack Hartman is awesome. You could do fun things like subitizing or subitizing, however you want to pronounce it. It's just it's just a way to get their brain functioning and get that really good number sense. The kids like that. He has a lot of them. These videos are just fun ways you can entertain for a few minutes. I wouldn't sit there and have my kid watching video after video after video after video because it's really not going to stick. But for instance, I was working on the sight word look with Jackson today, and I played that video for him. I had him write it down. I'm going to go outside in a little bit here and actually have him write it on the sidewalk with sidewalk chalk. There's a lot of different things you could do. So if you pick a sight word a day or a sight word every couple of days and just search YouTube. I'm also practicing, you could do, let's see what else. I wanted to, when I did the sight word look, I just searched for OO song. You can play around with it because is in look. And so I had him watch this song today and just kind of put another video with it. It just builds that different ways of learning. If you give your child multiple ways to learn something, they're going to not get so bored with working at home, but they're also going to be able to retain it a lot better. So like I said, today our sight word was the past 2 days, yesterday and today. I spent 2 days on it and going over it. You could search on YouTube. Let me go through not sight word stuff. If you want to go to YouTube, you can search for count and stretch. And this is another counting to 100 song. This one the students love. She's just very excited, and it gets them moving. Like I said before, this one, Cosmic Kids Yoga, is a lot of fun. Jackson did it again today. This lady, I think she's British. She is very engaging. I thought Jackson wouldn't be too into it, but he was super into the Pokemon one, and she's silly, and she really tells a story along with her yoga moves. But you can see they have Minecraft. I know a lot of kids in the class like Minecraft, Trolls. They had Frozen. Look at superheroes. T-Rex. So there's so many they can do. I told Jackson he can do one a day, and I'm able to put it on the TV through a gaming system. But if you don't, you can just put it on your computer, put it on your phone. Either way, whatever you can do to get them moving. Let's see what else. Any singing songs? We have these color songs that we sing in class. And so like the red song, the blue song, it spells them. The kids kind of know these songs for the most part. Get them reading, get them talking, get them singing as much as possible. And it'll really help boost what's, this gap in their time at school. I don't think I have much more for you on YouTube, but I will come back with another video in a little bit here about another topic. So I hope you check in. Let me know if you like these videos, because if you do, then I'll keep making them. If you're not as interested in them, I might stop making them. It's hard to get my house so quiet, to be honest. So let me know if you like them or not. If you do, I'll keep them coming. Thanks so much, guys.